In February, we had an Arctic blast that I've never seen in my lifetime in the industry, and I've been doing this for like 37 years. For 18 days, we had 264 hours below freezing, and the worst night, it was minus 14 when I came to work that morning with a minus 26 wind chill. Pretty well had a lot of winter kill and severe winter injury, because some of it started to sort of recover. But then there were other areas where you knew there was just no hope. We put it under grow lights. We created a greenhouse effect to try to get something to pop, and we weren't seeing anything. So we made our last measurement last week, and we figured out we had about 10,500 dead. Our sod comes from Bay City, Texas. That's the Champion Sod Farm. They got down to 6 degrees, and that's why it took us so long to get sod, because they had some winter damage. What we're doing is it's a pretty big process. You take sod cutter and you cut all the dead out. You mark it, cut it, dig it out of the ground. Then you smooth the ground up. The sod cutter leaves the ground fairly smooth, but we always rake it anyway. And then you put a pre-plant fertilizer down, an organic turkey compost underneath the sod, and it helps it root quicker. And then you just start laying and trimming. And then once you lay it and trim it, then we roll it, and then we come behind the roller with a heavy dose of sand, because we have to make everything match up and be smooth. So we top dress. This grass is real aggressive, so it grows right through the top dressing. And then hopefully the weather will warm up, it'll peg down with roots, and then we'll be able to open back up. But we need to keep the play off for a week at minimum. This is just going to be a year of recovery for most everybody in the golf industry. We're just going to do the best we can and recover this year, and hopefully have a fantastic year next year. I don't expect to see this kind of weather for another 30 years, hopefully.